The euro's struggle. Euro to US dollar faces resistance despite Fed rate cut expectations. The euro to US dollar currency pair is facing a challenging trading environment, with the Eurozone's consumer confidence data failing to impress investors. Despite the market's anticipation of a rate cut by the Federal Reserve in the coming months, the pair is struggling to gain traction, trading around 1.1585 after being rejected above 1.1600 earlier on Thursday. But here's the twist. While the Fed's potential easing could weaken the US dollar, the euro isn't finding much support either. Recent economic data from the Eurozone has been mixed, with consumer confidence remaining unchanged at -14.2 in November, and industrial confidence deteriorating to -9.3. Controversial rumors, adding fuel to the fire, are rumors that Kevin Hassett, a known dove, might replace Jerome Powell as Fed chair in May 2026. This has sparked speculation about more aggressive rate cuts, potentially impacting the US dollar's strength. Technical analysis. From a technical perspective, the euro to US dollar pair faces resistance at 1.1620, which could limit upward momentum. Bulls need to break above this level to target higher highs. On the downside, support levels are found at 1.1550 and 1.1500, with the latter being a critical psychological level. Economic indicators in focus. Consumer confidence, a leading indicator, it measures consumers' optimism about economic activity. A high reading is bullish for the euro, but the latest release showed no change at -14.2. Industrial confidence, this index assesses industrial executives' confidence. A deterioration to -9.3 in November could raise concerns. Services sentiment, measuring business sentiment in the services sector, a high reading indicates future growth. The latest figure of 5.7 exceeded expectations, but its impact on the euro was limited. And here's the part that might surprise you. Despite the Fed's potential rate cuts, the US dollar's weakness might not automatically translate to euro strength. With mixed economic data and technical resistance, the euro to US dollar pair's path forward remains uncertain. What's your take on the EUR/USD's current situation? Do you think the euro can gain ground against the US dollar in the coming weeks, or will it continue to struggle? Share your thoughts and insights in the comments below.